Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two GPU in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start performance. Base clock 2100 MHz and 2670 MHz. Boost clock 2400 MHz and 2670 MHz. Memory clock 2000 MHz 16GB effective and 2375 MHz 19GB effective. Pixel rate 307.2 Gpixels and 213.6 Gpixels. Texture rate 614.4 GTXLS and 427.2 GTXLS. FP16 half 39.22 teraflops 2:1 and 27.34 teraflops 2:1. FP32 float 19.66 teraflops and 13.67 teraflops. FP64 doable 2.458 teraflops 1:8 and 1.709 teraflops 1:8. Shading units 4096 and 2560. Texture mapping units 256 and 160. Render output unit 128 and 80. Execution units 512 and 20. Tensor cores 512 and 160. RT core 32 and 20. L1 L2 cache 128 KB per scene 32 MB and 256 KB per scene 18 MB. Part 2 Memory. Memory size 16GB and 12GB. Memory type GDDR6. Memory bus 256 bit and 192 bit. Bandwidth 512.0 GBs and 456.0 GBs. Part 3 Features. DirectX version 12 Ultimate 12.2. OpenGL version 4.6. OpenCL version 3.0. Vulkan 1.3 and 1.4. Shared model 6.6. Part 4 General information. Thermal design power 225 watt and 190 watt. Suggested PSU 550 watt and 450 watt. Output 1 into HDMI 2.1, 3 into DisplayPort 2.0 and 1 into HDMI 2.1A, 3 into DisplayPort 2.1. Power connectors 1 into 8 pin. Slot wide dual slot. Die size 406mm and 272mm. Transistor count 21 billion and 19.6 billion. Interface PCI 4.0 x 16 and PCI 4.0 x 18. Transistor density. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.